Hello, girls and boys. How are you today? As you can see here, we have some delicious food because today is cooking time. Tudo bem, gente? Então, como vocês podem ver aqui, a gente tem um monte de comida gostosa porque hoje é dia de cozinhar. Today, let's learn how to make a sandwich. First, let's start learning the vocabulary of the ingredients we need to make this delicious sandwich. Of course, as it's a sandwich, you will need some bread. In my case, I got some slices of bread, but you can use any kind of bread you have at home, okay? You can use small rolls, you can use French rolls, you can use baguettes, you can use any kind of bread. I'm going to use white cheese, okay? White cheese, some mayonnaise, and then we are going to use the vegetables, which is the most important part of our sandwich. The first vegetable we are going to use is the lettuce. So everybody, let's repeat with me, lettuce. So as you can see, it's a beautiful piece, lettuce. Then we have the carrot. Everybody, let's repeat, carrot. And finally, tomatoes. In my case, I have some baby tomatoes, but you can use the big one, okay? What else can we learn about vegetables? They are very beautiful and colorful. For example, the lettuce is green. The carrot is orange. And the tomato, look, is red. Ok? Então, como eu falei para vocês, os ingredientes que a gente vai usar para fazer esse sanduíche são os pães, né, que a gente precisa. Pode ser qualquer pão, eu usei o pão fatiado, pão de forma que a gente fala, mas vocês podem usar qualquer pão que vocês tiverem na casa de vocês. Também o queijo, que eu coloquei o queijo branco, mas também vocês podem usar o queijo que vocês tiverem, se não tiver não tem problema também. Maionese e os legumes e verduras, que aqui a gente tem o alface, a cenoura e o tomate. Okay, so in order to make the sandwich, you are gonna need some tools, okay, to spread the mayonnaise and to cut the vegetables and the cheese. But remember that you need to ask an adult to help you cut, all right? Hey, Logan. So, and then don't forget to wash your hands. Então, como eu falei, para cortar as coisas, vocês vão precisar da ajuda de um adulto e não esqueçam de lavar as mãos. First step, let's put some mayonnaise on the bread. Okay, let's start with some mayonnaise. You just spread, all right. I already have here some chopped lettuce. Então aqui eu já tinha colocado um pouquinho do alface. Just put on the surface here. Okay. It doesn't matter the order. All right. Now you add the carrot. Very good. Then you need to add some tomatoes. Let's cut the tomatoes. Be careful. Actually, the adult needs to be careful. I think that's enough. And let's top it off with some cheese. Okay, I think that's enough. And then you just put the second slice of bread and your delicious sandwich is ready. So let me show everybody here that the sandwich is ready. Take a look, and it's very delicious. Então, como vocês podem ver, eu coloquei os legumes, né, um em cima do outro, coloquei o queijo, mas não precisa pôr queijo, pode pôr o que você quiser, o que você gostar. E tampei com a outra fatia do pão. E olha só que delícia que ficou, que bonito, ó. Very healthy and very colorful. Então ele ficou muito bonito, muito saudável também, que é importante a gente comer comida saudável. So, that's it with our cooking class. Thank you very much. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.